aba gusimu SP last time no twalenge ga Humphreys Hill House ni genealogist Mr. Nyandika tukanyora togoshare a history ya Richard Onyonka na ise bono lero ni namuleterega tukwa ni kiongozi ya kemo kya gusi kiro muntu abereka gukora na matuka mangi live Gisairo Engoko. Most of you know him na Engoko umungwano nere mjumbe okututu masaba lakini nga agacha for the first time akaboli chukura nenda akaira nyoranga kitutu masaba nja tualeta a lot of so many aspirants babuleti gwetani kavere batali konyora era agacha limo akabwa wale yetu to understanding ningo live Gisairo Engoko ndugu yane ndio mno sana sogera chinga kichabo sogo cha kimukwa times kwa shana into amangana to ko request so wanja ndio mno sana
na nawe tebili na Nyandika Johnson ngonkuru kitutu masaba constituency
yes
lakini data wa mwana chikura njendo chinga ku participate kwa no wacha kita 1979 karatu arako pikia masakarukuru njera tualeta ka bali kubuli chikura around 1979 na bunyole teka karanga kina nditari kura nali waka lakini kakina bonde school chikura cyango korale kubuya abantu bali goche chiro na ndi kura cyango borwa sa matanga inga kitu arukina matanga na asikire mwaro kwa na siasa nonye siasa mwaro goche chiro mwakwana mwataba Olympia na ninyo ringa kiro chikura chia beto muntu olingo kwana ka gora ku church ngwenye lakini muntu da aja kwana ndakateka ki nga isimbe kuliere iguru abanda batenga isimbe soro sana etochirime etaye mulike abuya kaira chikulejo so chikura cha 1988 chage tumuchinyo gatatu chikure cha 1988 ma chikure cha 1983 ichibanda kwa 1984 lakini singenche kuya kitu 1982 president kana cha one full year chikura chika ku 1983 roja 79 chibanda kwa 84
yes
lakini chika ku 1983 ichia 1988 karoji agetwe chiagetu mutinyo gatatu eba bwate chikura yako kumurorongo mogoteno ibiche umuntu we kumutwali mwatena na kurumaiga
sabantu muntu yumachora
ase kitutu masaba nali abete kitutu masaba litangani kurumagega
1983
ya
1988 kitutu masaba nali abete established as a constituency
ebune constituency kera established ne constituency ekakeiwa ya bwatete jogoyons kyonganyeye igatirumba kambaka igege ikagenda mpaka liatwenya
iga kitutu masaba yale
iga Kitutu East this part of Kitutu East because abantu bari bawo kichoge ngimero kwa Kitutu masaba togende mpaka igege mate aligesa kyogaro moino ali enseme yari waka Kitutu East ogende mpaka mate mwamusio mayonspi yabekire Kitutu East lakini wana waliba 1988 umuntu nge chairman of boundaries ari kwa James Yamaya karwe karansite bakacha komenda chi constituency kurusaba chi ke komi boke tutu kanajwa ya Kitutu ekarukwirete linga ko Kitutu masaba
okay
eri karo Kitutu chaje ekabense mei ewa
1988 it is the first time twanyora tumujumbe Kitutu masaba
mboro ko Kitutu masaba na kitotenga muntu mutani ko mutunge o Kitutu masaba karo ko Henry Hastings Momanyi Botiano yes oyo no muntu osometa mangana accounts na ndolonge accountant ya Kenya National Examinations Council aborete mupira akaira chikura bari kumurukanya kini kya mwiseke
okay
so kera chikura 1982 ikatoka ntwara tamariti pati Kenya muntu ire chikura icho na nyona kera 1997 na ndanyona ka chikura ichi ya kabere kera 202 muntu chikura ichi agrukwaya Samson Okioma kono 202 yacha ukanga buge tutu iko kwa ulimo nande oto kwara buli yake so mwako 19
na tuligo chaigo kwa buli na koira kwara buli
bono chakera 202 kiranyona rubugambi bagateba ngogeka chimbusuro kirabainye meunjira chinyoni chiri ende egwe igetare iguru yome ende eso amagwime yame yani eso emiwe lakini yakane yamana kwa mabuya bonekere yakane in 2007 nalio Walter ria kane airite ekereka 2013 liroba ria urite mara gatano nalia merete ria gatano na ekereka 2017 nalia ria kane yaringe ya Shadrack Mose na era kaira ria kane lakini mono to kwa no giserere
Igo bonsi pi kwa babura boliri
abandi bono
Igo
kyo mankabera boliri iga boliri 97 tanyora akinya kanyora tuotu tuotu matu bate nyachaer ko bulikura as a president so mundu bate karam was 40 people yare wetalioka ekaro chikule chiachi goche chia 2022 boge tutu abantu oli bari kuburia ondete yokonyo bulirikane ye formire gasareka
wait karate
yono
Igo esaiko igasarika sigete
gaseka igatuka nga bali bakubuli chikura ondete yokonyo bulirikane
turate kubenyora ntwabate swanya
swanya ariko nirigari ari kubuliria gatatu umwako na rera buliria kane
Igo nitumasaba mboko chako ikakane
konyora bono babikire trend na ndoko ndalimo
once nero bulikane
yes na ndo manyangi tumasaba ne constituency tana ko kunyware minister kuruichaka Jones umuntu bete assistant minister nombese na ndo muntu bete kiro kigoro mona se bunge nyambati obete vice chairman ya parliamentary service commission na lero kwanita mono bunge mara 256
during his time
once year one.
That's great. So Nyambati is not a simple guy.
No, you can't because no nejirami chitobade the main ones yekurwa kwende kamera yeka konda mabuko nero ichagete. The national school ya Nyambaria nero ichagete. Estime yarenge in 3 schools abigete chonzi kara kuroro. Ti location charenge saba ichagete 22. Saba location charenge 14 igachigete with 5.
Nyambati was a performer.
Yes, was a performer. Those now chiefs officers, na chibono gisera baga chiri chobis bono chiri fiscal, chiri branded. Manya gisero ga korete marketing from the University of Nairobi. So the branding.
Ndo agenda branding.
Yes.
Gisera bono chiri in 2022.
Yes.
Okoboli obojumbe. Esaiko ekaboneka.
Ekaboneka bono ndete ikonyobuliri yakane. Igonde bwezi na bali kwera.
Onde bwezi na bali.
Remember no nyobuliti tare ngazi ya ngasi. Muntu ringete youngest ko rechikura. Porque tutu yabo 10 members of parliament babera babunge babuge tutu. Lakini the youngest to be elected osometa makere na Alliance High School. Joja Nyona Moset at 29. Igo bantu babeta basaya babeta elected below the age of 35. Mongare urukuru kumangale mutaringare mangale ulingu mwalimu wabeta elected ekero enyona sibetu 1977 by election at 35 na makonombeze at 35 also abuna babata to babeta youths lakini majority of these people are elected above 35 no ingisa Rebecca I think abeta elected at 38 yeah
togenda lebon ingi kyagarete gisairere so halinde akabua other than the cycle
isero nakorte kosi ya petroleum apart from Bicom, he was selling something called Amafta. So na chitene brand yae. Agacha no gotera wale ko kiabando ruko kwengoko. Engoko ya buga kwe ninge korangelia ebichuchu byaye byamyoka gocha onezi DNA ngomweri ni nyingere kitutu masaba kubwe ni constituency kusiengema so ikotero ko kamuitrais na hardari olioka na kanite kabwate obole mbuli bantu babu kitutu mbari ko elect nyaturu kwara nendumo one ndumo elinko mokonyere madekerole not mugirango kukwana soft.
Okay.
Lakini ni kitutu wikobo muntu wakendumo bana kwa wekura so bantu bauta ko muntu kwanu mnacho cha Nyona Moset paka won
cha Nyona Moset
yewa
so kisairo ikine kyagarata akabua
yani tutenga it was like a new thing a trend area yaringi muntu kani ngobuli kana akabura one vacuum egatoka lakini bie kana package wetera gotera kwaye no komera abantu na kwa ante sukari bintu binebyo ebine byo nanto banarire abale ninga kianyanyona tari kurune siringi no oburi siringi yago kurama na nduira aho tengari bakieli ngikuarua watu boge tutu mbari osabese watu bane abayaba boge tutu mbari osabese so ere throughout his life tari kuru
Kisairo no Munyekoma
abanyekoma umanyete ntubwata abagetutu original na abagetutu bali bakuru kubanya kondi eregaro umugetutu original kuru banyekoma banyekoma mbo cyumba cyabo ibere ntubwata abayekoma bali mu itegenyi na banyekoma bali mu amoro eregaro mu itegenyi so whichever kwenye bayirige kawatana koba banyakohira na nero bugete break nero umunyekoma mutangani koirobo bunge bogetutu ya rugoro na ya mate na ndi kitutu masaba ya ibwata bungo over 10 lakini kitutu cha chembara than 5 sengenjo onda bete mu bunge myake mengi ye chimi yangwen lakini mono onyonga ko 1969 paka 96 so barabuto iko barabange no nyembo basimbane boka babere manoti no yororo no bule no yondo kurukwa kinanga ulenge kurukwa enkarange abuno ono amchiti chibata bakereke mbututu ne tangene abantu baboli ubungi in fact 2007 abantu baboli ubunge abalenge 33 ni kurudi yango
Wange manzi
yes abalenge abantu 33 yonga ekwendi neroro ando ndamu ya upinzani ingoma chireko bamuno ni bogetutu masaba
Bueno, ningi kyagerete Bugetutu Bunyekoma abusigisaira arwete etara konyoro bugambi mbabwate candidates gose ningi
advantage bono anyora tenelinga nanda bantu bachuba konyamba na konyara mu bunge ku independence bakerwa bakamachikura Banyekoma mbari bake nande mbari kero kambali kira simba spread ba utara bara mona bantu kurukuma musioma so mbana bambiri butinga be tukutane tinga ntwana koira abantu bakuruko Bagetutu original n'abantu bakuruko Banyamondo abambaba abayekona babulia abataranda n'abantu bakuruko abuguche
Abanyekoma
yes abanyekoma na original ikindi bono nyomba tokuruka kire original cyumo Getutu no mochi ndabona
Bueno, njiro Munyekoma maite
bono kero Munyekoma bono it means bono this is time a chance ya togete bantu bakiete karaoke ngima ujetie kali mpaka gasole ntinse mochiria wira nega chubangi ngima na Banyekoma bagutimurete munsinyo ubwaya na Gisairo
Tena boli previously ntu abwate Abanyekoma bakubuli obuchumbe
ngicha batabulete
ichaba
ta nyora mbale bamanyi bemba bulete lakini banyora uyo nero no nyenkaete no emeroka no akuruau mngotema bari kubulete lakini onero bono Munyekoma mutangani kwa uwo bunge
Koveka chinda ruchiri buno anyona ngwa changita ndege gose ningi
because ase ababunga ba 10 abantu bajita lanzi Gisairo na anyona
similarities between anyona na Gisairo
Rubieka was a prefect at Alliance High School. The same with Anyona was a prefect at Alliance High School. Bono wekero kuba the history babuna bachete through Alliance and bakabunga Bagetutu.
Kai
Yes. Agiri wa akorete marketing, Anyona akorete English, history and political science kwa Makerere University. Yes. Agiri arenge firebrand na ndena ba achete into stringa paka wanona wote nganje nguru Anyona. Because Nero Sireti nduna Chiefs Act through IPPG 1997. Yes. Paka mana wote banga kere party produce mundo wote na chikura. Era kabeka andu babere. Ya mukuru 40 people, 40 Kenya yoringa buya buya na mageto mawole nkuru social congress. So now what they say. Yeah, he left a mark. Yeah, keko Nero biyo koliko research asa babunge bonse ba Kenya. Ne anchi toko ba library.
Igaba Getutu na bangeni tole
Olende. Una bono I want to tell you kosa kurigeli today through the history ya ICC chiro ya chagambite case balinga batatu. They have a relationship with one ward ya Gesima kurunga Gesima ward. Evanese monali nkali arwete. No muigo nara oli ukuru kwa geto kereso mungina na arwete bongati ali. Bano bangete kikina kali Hague. These are people who have origins from Kiuru Naruto. Yes, ICC. But you must know bantabu bitabu they have tried.
They have tried.
Yes.
I think what we are going to do
to charge as more professors than kitu tumasaba.
I think now that tualire Onyonka on my channel, I'll bring him later on. Iga on this particular platform, Humphrey Zilla House.
Next time I will show you the last tree Onyonka has made as a minister. The father now.
Richard.
Yes. Motenara has made one Mario. Mako 1996. No joy.
One I think
we want to say is in the committee of education and the committee of CDF. Kinyurenga nyambati na bajete ntumkuma go change parliament. Mate parliament area njere designed eri nyambati nye change it. Yes, it was not like that before. He was the chairman. Ekaraba cross mbaketani riba rosi acha gosebwa bunge bali.
Ngonga njiro ndi nyambati.
Yeah, look for
mole eteka.
Asi egonda it will be interesting. Aba bunga once singe majority mno bali. Bakwane about ya bogetoto.
Aba kusiva minto. Bone genealogist anta Africa. I'll bring first of all Gisairo. Here.
Akwan is a friend here. He has comes. Even the bingina akwana nebi kokwanide.
I'll bring him here on spot. Iga ase mukwa times. Iga spot yetu tenene iga. Akwani ile historia yawe kwa mwenyene. Ama swali unandro bolo mundeta akwande inga. Uinu mwana wanyona. Iyo lazima atakuuliza. Nero tatai. Doji tomoboli. Anyona. Anakiako rukumu nyambati. I'll bring him on board here. Apart from just the narration, kibale moyo mbagocha.
Yeah, they come no share the source of general wale. The material ba no wale. We are out of 10 majority no wale. We can talk to them. Egere baru history because the history ye minute go inspire the young. Like now I've told you just at 29. You know became a member of parliament.
That's inspiration. Na ngubuli governor.
Yeah, 29 years.
Ngubuli governor.
Yeah. Na and you can also see bali barenge ngakiri. They were getting leadership when they were youths.
Yamuna sana so gereshinga kishino kole pindi tokaraga mukwa times. I'll keep on bringing stories of this kind. Tumanye ngaitu arule ngaitu rochi. Yamuna sana sawa saseni.